guys, welcome back to another video with Tech with Faaiz, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do the level 1 for the maze. So if you're continuing with the series, this is the second video for the series, which is I'm going to be teaching you the level 1 for maze. So let's get started. So first thing, you're going to go to Blocky and going to click on the maze, and so there's a bunch of options here. So as you can see, this is the plain option. You can just see how much blocks it is. So I'm going to change it to the space guy. So now you can see it's 2 blocks. So you're going to say move forward, and then you're going to say move forward again. If you're stuck on this part and you're just putting move forward, and because it's just, you know, moving once, that's because on the normal, if we go to back to the normal, you can't see that there's 2 blocks that you have to move. So I suggest using this. I personally use this one. So we're gonna do move forward, and then run your program. Good. So there you go, guys. Alright, guys, thank you very much for watching, and on the next video I'm going to teach you how to do the part 2. Have a great day. Bye.